How to fix PayPal payment transfer failed. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Help Deck. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can fix payment fail on PayPal, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if your payment failed on PayPal and that you want to actually fix that issue, this could be happening due to a couple of reasons. The first is of course your verification status. So you simply want to make sure that your PayPal account is actually verified. To do this, just head over to paypal.com and it says may submit info to access your funds. So as long as I don't verify my account, I will not be able to send or receive money or even deposit or withdraw. So I'll just select this option over here. Then it will ask me and take me to a page where I can simply upload my documentations, my status and whatever else in order to verify my PayPal account. So do all of that process and then see if that solves your problem. Now in case that doesn't help, the other issue that could be happening due to this reason is because of insufficient balance. So that could also be one of the reasons why. So you simply want to make sure that you have enough balance in it. Just go to link a card option, make sure to link your debit or credit card and deposit some funds and then just withdraw it, or try to send or receive money and then see if that solves your problem. Otherwise, the only thing I can recommend you do is to simply contact the support team. So scroll down, select the contact us button over here to PayPal. Once you click the contact us button, it will take you to their contact page where you can simply fill in the form, describe what the issue is, and then let them know that you're having some issues. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.